really good as he becomes their guide, teaching them valuable skills such as how to earn money, build companies, and plan their revenge. Against stories, a tragic turn of events when they return home from playing to find their house destroyed by a miss, their families murdered, and themselves orphaned. This devastating loss leaves them bewildered and without a sense of direction. That sea is plagued by similar stories of destruction and loss. Days pass in pain and hunger until the mentor arrives in their city. This mentor takes them under his wing, providing them with food, shelter, and a purpose. He becomes their guide, teaching them valuable skills such as how to earn money, build companies, and plan their revenge against those who destroy their families. Under the mentor's guidance, Emma and Dave embark on a journey of preparation and learning. They are now in a big school building, gearing up for the great war ahead, armed not just with a mission for revenge, but also with the knowledge and skills to navigate the challenges that lie ahead.